shouldn't take you more than 14 days to do your thesis. Not years, not months, but weeks. You don't need to read every single paper out there, you just need to know your topic. This is how you can do it quickly and effectively.
This is the website that I use. You can upload all your research papers and articles. You can even select all these papers and group them into folders like this. On the right, you have this chat box where you can literally ask anything you want there. You take information directly from the paper that you've uploaded, so you know that all of these information are reliable. By clicking on this little number, you know exactly where the citation comes from.